So how can you put text on the home screen of your iPhone? Let me explain how it works and let's get started. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and that way you're not going to miss anything. Okay, so the way that it works is that usually you want to add some text to your home screen by using a widget. So you can hold down on the home screen, click on edit in the top left and choose to add a widget. And there are more apps, of course, plenty of different options to pick from. Some people pick like the reminders to see that type of text, or I don't know, like notes to get quick access to their, written notes. But if you want to choose like a specific sentence or a phrase which you want to see and have visible on your home screen at all times, I recommend you to get an app from the App Store which is called AnyText. And this application comes with plenty of different widgets. So you choose like a phrase or a text, and that might be displayed on the lock screen as a lock screen widget, or on the home screen as a home screen widget in all of the different shapes and forms, and you can customize the text, and it gets the job done if you quickly just want to see a line of text and always have it in front of your eyes. It is ideal for the lock screen. It looks much better there, but it also works on the home screen, even though it's going to be in this like bigger shape or form. But I guess it gets the job done if you want to do it this way. So let me know if you found that video useful. Hit the thumbs up if this worked out for you, or if you were able to add the text to your home screen or lock screen that way. So let me know what you think below in the comments. Subscribe so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.